Hello everyone, Captain Rafa here. Today I want to I have good news for you. Yes. I have just get my Thinktpms G1 today. Yeah. So it's look we're gonna do a short video today. So I'm gonna show you how it looks, little unboxing, and next video, Tuesday, Wednesday, next week, I must charge this unit. I have precisely opened package, and I know I do not do unboxing, but I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you what we have and what we have got and how it looks, first feelings, and next week on Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm gonna to show you how it works. So more after charging the instinct and so on. Okay. So firstly, if you slide this one from the package, you have this sheet. There is on another side your activation code, and then you have your manual. So it's look like that. Nobody cares. Nobody use manuals. Maybe someone's use manuals, and it's look like that. Couple sides. Okay. Yeah. It's how to use, how to activate. Blah blah blah. We must activate through the application. I think so. Okay. 9 pages, 10 pages, warranty terms, and yeah, piece of crap. So here we have main unit, and look like that one. This is charging brick. It's through USB, 100 volt to 2040, and output 5 volts, 2.5 amperes. It's not European, so it's universal, so we must have some extra socket for that. Okay, but I think everyone has or have some charger at home. And this is USB to USB-C cable. Like you see, it looks like that one. Yeah, I'm gonna try that at home. This time you can try at home. So like you see, this charging port is here. It's deep hole. It's very deep hole. Okay, main unit, it feels good, but cons, negatives, we don't have any case, nothing. So you have unit and charging brick and charging cable. I hope they change that in the future, so we can have some small case to carry this one. But this is something like rubber, so it's not slide from your hands. 4 buttons, small screen, nice looking screen. Okay, so we can start this one. Then you have serial number, and you must activate this unit through application, I think so. So I gonna, like you see, I gonna fully charge at home on the weekend, and then Tuesday, Wednesday we're gonna do presentation this unit and check how it works. And nothing, we must activate it. Okay, it's off. So firstly we must activate it, and then we have this 4 Thinktpms S1s, and like you see, dual frequency using world class chip, pressure values. Oh. How it looks. One hand operating. Yeah. It looks like that. It's nice. Looks nice. So we're gonna see if we're gonna program one. Try to program one also. But that's for I leave them for me, so some spares to my Jeep. And then we have some gifts, so we have for long time waiting, and that is Thinktpms Mini. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do with that one, or we test that. We're gonna do test on that, or we're gonna leave that for some giveaway maybe. I don't know. You can decide that. Write in the comment. We test it or we leave that for giveaway. So like see, that's it for today. I'm now end from my work. I have come precisely and I have opened my package. So now I'm going to home for the weekend. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comment. We unpack it and test it, or we gonna leave that for some next giveaway maybe. I think so, it's maybe better to test it. One thing more for test. So like, subscribe, share, how you wish, and we see after weekend. Tuesday or Wednesday we're gonna introduce you how it's work. Stay tuned.